A Spanish expert has said it's wrong to intervene in other countries' internal affairs under the pretext of promoting democracy.
The United States has to be careful. If you go move around and claiming that this is for democracy, that, for example, in Afghanistan or in Iraq, in different kind of interventions around the world, that's wrong. That's absolutely wrong. Very often this claiming of democracy is an alibi in order to influence or impose certain norms upon others, that we should not move around the world trying to impose other values. The best is to show by example, by results, not trying to impose anything.
Soto emphasized that democracy can take different forms depending on cultural civilizations, geographical circumstances, and other factors.
Democracy can adopt different forms, and there are different cultures, civilizations, different sizes, different geographical circumstances, and that leads to unique patterns of development and also of expression in the public realm. I think we are away from that unipolar model. We are not the bipolar model either. We are experiencing multipolarity, and that's good for the world. And I think nations, continents, small countries, middle-sized countries and big countries can express themselves in the international arena. I think this is important.